Happy Tuesday morning, March 31st. Let's hear a joke.
Um, what does a cloud wear under his raincoat?
What?
Underwear.
Oh, that's a good one. All right, so on this Tuesday morning, you guys should have received an email from Mr. Lund. I am his brother, Justin Lund. I have a much bigger beard. Um, just filling in today, should be back tomorrow. So, in your email, you should have noticed some things. Just looking at this, please stop touching me. In our week at a glance, there's some really cool things I wanted to go over. The first thing in there is Mr. Green's podcast. They're very good, just 5-minute videos. If you have some time to kill and you want to listen on some cool things, please click into those podcasts. I recommend going with one first since it does give some answers in number two, and then going from two to three tomorrow. A couple other little things, small group check-ins. You're going to have a link here now that you'll be able to see some different things if you click into it and click into the document. It'll bring you to our first Reader's Theater, but at the tab at the bottom, it'll have lit circles. And this is where you'll find your groups again for Sign of the Beaver, My Side Mountain, Refugee, or Incredible Journey. You'll see those in there. And then at the next tab at the bottom, small group check-ins, here is your next group. And if you just click right here on this meet, so starting to on Thursday and Friday, you guys will have our first small group check-ins in the afternoon. So there'll be your groups right there, and you'll be able to click right in there to meet. So that's how we're going to start lining these things up. Just like you, we're learning as we go. We're going to try to make this as smooth as possible for you. So going back to week at a glance, that's where that small group check-in that starts on Thursday and Friday, and then those lit circle groups as well that will begin Wednesday, where you'll start reading, and then our first Google Meet for our lit circle groups will be on that Friday as well, and we'll go from there. So again, as you guys started your thing from yesterday, Monday, March 30th and Tuesday, March 31st is what you need to complete on this column right here. If you are able to work ahead and start working on some things other than your different lit circle groups, you sure can work ahead in math and your social studies and DARE, for example. So, all right. Hope you guys have a great day, and we will see you soon. What do you want to say, Chloe? No? Okay.